Hello and welcome to CreateLoveShare. I have another unboxing for you today. This one is from CreateLoveShare. I'm absolutely loving their diamond paintings. I'm finding they're absolutely awesome, and so I got onto their website and I had another look and I thought, oh, I've got to get these guys. So another unboxing from these guys. So I've already gone ahead and cut the plastic because it was so well wrapped and taped that it took me a good 10 minutes trying to get into it. So I've already gone ahead and cut the plastic. So that's how it's come. And it came to me really quick, which is always a bonus. So, where are we? So I've got one and two diamond paintings. So first off, I love how they come in these tubes. Awesome. They're so sturdy, like they're really hard to squish. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful tubes. So anyway, we'll start with this one. Okay, so these tubes, on the front it shows you your diamond painting that you've got and all your bits and pieces that are supposed to be in there. And it is, where are we? Okay. Usually it's plastic film wrapped as well, but this one isn't, but that's okay. So anyway, you got your really nice container here, which I super duper love. So I use these guys to store other things because it's just awesome. So take the lid off. And we've got your diamond painting. Alright, slap them over there. So it is not creased at all. So beautifully protected. I really, really love that. So in the middle here, somewhere, a bunch of stuff. Is that it? Yep. So you've got your canvas. You've got your drills. Beautiful drills. Toolkit and an inventory sheet. So your toolkit, I love this. It's so awesome. So you've got your this is a really nice bag. It's resealable. It's your premium tool bag, and in it, so in it you have a drill tray. About the drill tray, you have your squishy comfort grip and a single placer pen. You've got a couple of multi-placers and you've got a wax. It is a white wax in a gorgeous resealable, screw top container. Beautiful. Get them out of white. And you also get this inventory sheet. So this one here is called, what's it called? Twin Lovebirds. And on your inventory sheet, you've got a really nice thumbnail there. You have your drills. So there's 31 colors in this one. So it very clearly shows your symbols and your DMC codes on that, and how to diamond paint, which is awesome. And we'll have a look at this canvas. So already on the canvas you've got this beautiful scalloped edging. You have very clear thumbnail and your symbol keys. So let's go and have a look. So I'll just uncurl it. So their diamond paintings are poured glue. So being poured glue, I can roll it back onto itself. There you go. Twin, colorful birds. Oh well, I got part of it right. So colorful birds. I absolutely love this. I love how colorful it is. It's the abstractness and stuff. I absolutely love this. You can't have too much color. And this one is a full square drill 45 by 32 centimeters. Oh, I just loved it. So I thought I'm going to get it. So we'll zoom you in so you can have a look at that drill field. In we go. So I'm loving how crystal clear their drill field is. The printing on these canvases is really, really, really good. And I'm just finding that the drills are brilliant. Canvas is brilliant. And yeah, I'm just loving this company. But you can see that beautiful. And then I'll bring you over here. So you have 2 symbol keys, 1 on each side. No trouble at all reading that. How pretty is that? Oh, that's so cute. All right, we'll zoom you back out again. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, we'll have a look at those drills. Okay, so we'll have a look at those drills. So your drills come in this nice resealable bag. It says colorful birds on the front, just in case they get separated. And here you go. So your drills come in these really good Ziploc bags. They are very, very clearly labeled as to the DMC color. And all these drills are just really, really good drills. So I love how they come like that. And you can work straight out of the bag if you want to, or you can put them in containers. I put these in containers and then I put the leftover drills back in these guys. So being colorful birds, you've got beautiful, colorful drills. Oh, aren't they just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Pinks and blues and greens and reds and all sorts of neato stuff. Got some beiges. Lots of yellow. Oh, I like that pink. Oh yeah, 3607. That's a gorgeous color. Got some blues. So what I'll be doing is just double checking. I will go through the inventory sheet and just tick these off just to make sure everybody's in there, so that when I want to go ahead and start this diamond painting, I can jump straight into it. Oh, aren't they just beautiful colors? Wow, there's a lot of that one. Ah, sorry. Beautiful drills. Gorgeous. So scoop them up. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that color. But you can already see they've got beautiful shine. Gorgeous. So pop them all back in there. So that is my colorful birds. Gorgeous. All right, next one. So the next one, same again. It's in another cardboard tube. And it's really pretty. Like, how gorgeous is that? Beautiful. So this one here is Resting Cat, or I think on their website they call it Curious Kitty. And pop them out of there. Oops. Drills. In there somewhere. Get it out. An inventory sheet. So your toolkit, same as before, exactly the same as before. You've got your drill pen and your squishy comfort grip, wax and a drill tray and some multi-placers. Got your inventory sheet. So nice, beautiful, crystal clear. Love it. There's your thumbnail, your instructions, and this one has 33 colors. Again with your DMCs. crystal clear symbols. So you've got numbers and letters and symbols on that one. Nice inventory sheet. You've got your drills and you've got your canvas. So again, with your canvas, they have that beautiful scalloped edging. Which way is up? This way is up. Gorgeous. So I'll go ahead and roll him back. Again, poured glue so I can do this. Rolling back onto himself. There we go. How cute is that? So this is from the same series. I just really like the series. It's just something a little bit different. Oops, he's still curling. Just something a little bit different to the diamond paintings I normally choose. I like it. I like the abstractness of it and the blockiness, but it's got enough colors to kind of make it interesting and give it some good depth. So this one is a full square drill. It is 45 by 32 centimeters, so exactly the same size. It is poured glue, and yeah, as I said, 33 colors, but that looks so cute. I just like it. It's nice. So I will get, because he's curling, put my trusty scissors there. So we'll zoom in and have a look at that drill field. So beautiful, easy to read, crystal clear. I like the eyes on this one too. I think it's really nice. So I'm not seeing any issues there. Can't see any issues at all. Even with those dark colors. So I wouldn't even need a light pad on these diamond paintings. And you've got your two symbol keys, one on each side. Resting cat. So no problem at all. Isn't that beautiful? So I'll zoom you back out again. I didn't do a sticky test on that other one, so I'll test this one. Yep, she's sticky. Right, let's have a look at those drills. So again, your drills come in this nice sealed bag. It says resting cat. Hope I can get into it. And again, you've got them in these beautiful Ziploc bags. Oh, there's that color again. Gee, that's pretty. So you've got some beautiful purples, pinks and yellows. Really pretty. Greens. It's a nice pink. So yes, like the other one, I'll go through on the inventory sheet and just tick these off, make sure everybody's in there. And that way, if there's any issues, I'm onto it right away and they can do something about it. But yeah, I just reckon the longer you leave it, the harder it is to chase it up. Beautiful colors. Ugh. Bit of pink. Bit of glare. Sorry about that. And we've got some reddish browns, gray, and a big pack of white. Look at that. That's going to be fun. So that's a close-up. Got your DMC number and your grams if you want to, if you're into that sort of thing. But those drills, they just look really, really nice. Beautiful. I'll whack them all back in there. Put them in. There you go. That is just so gorgeous. I cannot wait to do this, and I'm so glad I've got all of them so far in this series. So I reckon they're really going to come up nice. Something a little bit different, but kind of cool. So, we have the Resting Cat, or Curious Kitty I think they call it, and Colorful Birds, which is also twin lovebirds I think they have on their website. My latest diamond paintings from CreateLoveShare. I cannot wait to get started on these guys. So keep your eyes peeled for works in progress and reviews on these ones further on down the track. Yeah, can't wait to sink my teeth into these guys. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.